Mr. Pramod Chandler, the promoter of Rajkiran Motors, and Professor Rajkiran, my colleague in the Center for Energy Studies, Professor Pawan here, and all the dignitaries who joined today. In fact, Honorable Minister Garu's presence, we thought to have this inaugural function, but then obviously it is going to get a little bit postponed. He may arrive at any point of time very soon once he concludes the meeting with Chief Minister. But till then, we do not want to really keep you waiting, so we started this event. Thank you very much for joining. I hope you all enjoyed a beautiful evening in the grounds of Administrative Staff College of India. In fact, this is a great effort of Center for Energy Studies at Administrative Staff College of India, where we are working in various aspects of power sector, clean energy, energy transition, as well as renewable energy. And Professor Amartya and the entire team, and Professor Pawan and the entire team, they are working on bringing all these stakeholders together. That is our task. What we do at Center for Energy Studies, because you might be like a little bit surprised at what Administrative Staff College of India is going to play a role here in this particular launch of automobile vehicle launch. But then, Administrative Staff College of India here plays a very important role where we bring government and all the stakeholders like you together to discuss and then take it forward. Whatever the policy challenges you face, that is our job to bring those challenges on the table and in front of government and allow all other stakeholders, including you, discuss with the government and think and try to bring all those measures in the policy so that we can all collectively move together and collectively improve together, strengthen together the entire movement of this clean energy transition. That's what the Administrative Staff College of India's goal is there. That is the reason we are standing here, including myself and Professor Ahmed. And that is the reason I must thank you all that you came here today evening, and we are going to spend a beautiful evening together today. Just moving ahead, I just want to explain about what Administrative Staff College of India is. Administrative Staff College of India is established in 1956 to train senior civil servants. In last several decades, we are not only training civil servants, but we are training public sector undertaking officials through various centers. We have several centers: Center for Economics, Money, Banking and Finance, Center for Public Policy, Center for Human Resource Development, one of the Center for Urban Governance and Infrastructure Development, and one of the Center is Center for Energy Studies. What we do here, we train civil servants, we train government officials on various aspects. But how do we do that? We take advisory and consulting assignments with them, not only with the government, with various industries, PSUs and all, banks, financial institutions, and bring that particular kind of experience and try to share it as a case study in the classroom. This is the classroom where we actually share those particular kind of things. And it's a beautiful blend of last several decades, that consulting, advisory services with the capacity. And that's how we try to improve and strengthen the policy making process by understanding the implementation challenges, bring it to the policy, and always continuously improve the policy. And that is what we, hand in hand, extend that hand-holding support to the government, not only in designing the policy, but implementation of the policy. With that objective, we at Center for Energy Studies also working in various aspects of power sector and energy sector for last several decades. In fact, Center for Energy Studies is known for Indian Electricity Regulatory Act, the support for the implementation of Electricity Act 2003, renewable energy, right from the beginning of integrated energy policy, where Mr. T.S. Shankar sir developed that policy. We are extending hand-holding support not only to the Ministry of Power, Ministry of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and all other state departments through Center for Energy Studies working hand in hand with them. Coming to the energy transition now, because it's almost like more than 3 decades, 4 decades, the power sector is growing, and now across the globe, people are really working on the clean energy transition and climate change. Center for Energy Studies is helping several governments working on these aspects as well. Take any aspect of climate change, we are working on that. We are trying to bring that particular aspect to the people and understand those issues from the people and taking it to the government. We have worked on energy conservation building code, that is the contribution of Center for Energy Studies, where the energy conservation building code is an effective code for the energy efficiency in buildings. And I am glad to share it with all of you that it's one of the successful model in India, not only in India, now across the globe, that at large scale the energy efficiency codes are implemented in both the states of Telugu speaking states, AP and Telangana, with our efforts. And now more than 1500 to 1600 energy conservation compliant buildings, large commercial buildings, they are compliant with energy conservation building code. So at the design stage only they are saving the energy. After construction also they are going to continuously save energy during their lifetime. We brought it into the policy process, we brought it into the implementation process, we brought it into the actual construction process. We trained more than 10,000 people here in administrative staff colleges of India around this particular aspect, and then we created the entire ecosystem for it. Once we created that system, then the next step is to create the sustainable habitat systems. Sustainable habitat system is the need of an hour now, because we are actually looking for the Delhi and what kind of AQI index is there. The air pollution is so much in Delhi, and it is not like we used to see in Hollywood movies that Delhi is really with the air pollution index is very, very high and that people are dying on roads. But now it is the reality. How to tackle these issues? And Hyderabad is also, maybe, not now, but down the line, 5 years, Hyderabad can also be part of that particular kind of Delhi atmosphere. Mumbai is on the way. So it's our immediate need that to attend this particular kind of problem and see the possible solutions. There might be various possible solutions. Create sustainable habitat system, energy efficient building, construction practices, everything. Not only that, industrial pollution. The people are burning stubble around Delhi that is not there in this part of the country.